morning, everybody. I'm Tony Gustitis
And I'm Eric Gustitis.
with the Ron Gustitis Real Estate Team, Peace River Partners. Just want to keep you informed of what's going on this last weekend before the holiday. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
What's going on this weekend?
A lot. So everybody go out there, have some fun, and spread some Christmas cheer. On Friday, you can build a holiday treat workshop at Arlington Park at the Aquatic Complex in Sarasota. That's going to be 5:30 to 7 o'clock. Create your own festive dessert board and take home a share. Cost is $15 per board. All ages welcome. Space is limited, so make sure you register.
Awesome. Also, a holiday tour of lights by, Sarasota?
Trolley.
Trolley in Sarasota. SRQ Trolley in Sarasota. Hop aboard the SRQ Trolley and enjoy the area's best hand-picked holiday displays, from arc-lit streets to a gingerbread house and even National Lampoon-style home. It's the perfect chance to relax, unwind, and soak up the magic of the season with family and friends. Let SRQ Trolley take you on a festive ride you won't forget.
I always love going to the neighborhoods, checking out the good lights. Love it, Part of the Christmas tradition, And we have live music at Tiki Bar over at Punta Gorda. Friday we have Mixed Signal. Saturday we have Night Breakers, and on Sunday it's JJ and the Bad Habits.
Awesome. Saturday, deck the halls at Florida Studio Theater in Sarasota with shows at 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. Celebrate the holidays Sarasota style with palm trees wrapped in lights, sand snowmen, and festive tunes. This all-new edition of Deck the Halls captures the magic of Christmas and Hanukkah in the Sunshine State. Filled with the original songs, sketches, and interactive fun, this beloved family tradition is the perfect way to get into the holiday spirit.
There you go. I want to see that sand snowman,
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to build a snowman. I don't know what it's sand. Can't have a sandball fight. And also, here's something different you may have never have tried. You could swim with Santa at the Northport Aquatic Center from 10 a.m. to noon. Wear your swimsuit, celebrate the tropical festivity of Santa, while the holiday's the biggest day of the year. Loads of fun for all, and out of the water, there'll be photo ops. Kids will enjoy a variety of games and create take-home crafts. So
That's awesome. That's amazing.
that's a clean show.
Yeah, if you have kids, I would definitely do that. It sounds amazing. Saturday, Trail of Lights and Enchanted Holiday Circus at the Charlotte County Fairgrounds. Every Monday, Tuesday, no Wednesdays, and then Thursday through Saturday. Pile into your car and drive through a stunning light display, or check out the Holiday Circus and Santa's Village for amazing acts and festive treats. Or better yet, do both. With food and other vendors, face painting, and photos with Santa, everyone will have a holly jolly good time.
I drove by, seen a lot of it out there, but I want to see it at night where it looks the best, And on Sunday, for you dog lovers, dog and puppy meet and greet at Ace Hardware in Wellen Park. And that's going to be 11 to 2, so bring the puppies out there. Sun Coast Humane Society is doing a meet and greet with the friendly dogs and puppies. Go check it out, and I just have to go home with your next family member. It's possible.
Holiday Festival of Lights at Fisherman Village in Punta Gorda. Daily viewing of more than 1 million lights and holiday-themed decorations adorning the inside and outside of Fisherman's Village. Open for viewing during all regular and extended operational hours. 7 days a week. Special features include visits with Santa, the Grinch, and live holiday entertainment. So if you haven't seen that, go out and...
Oh, it looks great.
Yeah.
It just looks so good when it's all decorated up like that.
And I think they keep that up through the new year, right?
They should, It takes so long to put them up, no one ever wants to take them down, And then we have Lights in Bloom at Selby Botanical Gardens of Sarasota throughout January 3rd. This award-winning holiday light show features 2 million lights.
Wow.
Illuminated in gardens and walkways downtown Sarasota campus. Advanced tickets is definitely recommended and strongly encouraged.
Yeah, definitely want to do that.
Oh, that's
for
going
the
to be
season.
amazing. 2 million, that is going to be, and you're outside in the woods, that should be great.
Tonight would be a perfect night. It's warm.
And there is a meteor shower from now until Christmas, so get out there where it's nice and dark and see a few meteor showers going up there in the sky. That should be pretty cool.
Awesome.
And look for Santa.
Last on Sunday, Christmas party with Feast or Famine band at Bar 17 in Punta Gorda at 1 p.m. Expect rockin' tunes, festive specials, and the friendliest crowd around. Bring your crew, wear your ugly sweaters, shirts, or Christmas outfits, and celebrate with cold drinks, cool vibes, and great music.
A lot to do out there, so make sure you get out there, get a little shopping, go spread the holiday cheer, and see as many Christmas lights as you can.
Yep, absolutely.
All right. As always,
Real estate's a dream with the Ron and Gustitis team.
Ho, ho, ho!
Have a great weekend.